Pierre Vita, good morning. Today we're just doing a little sightseeing. We're at the Hartley Nature Center. It's the City of Duluth Park. We're going to go to some old root cellar from when the Hartleys had this as a vegetable farm. But here, we are up in here in the Nature Center area right now. Just gotta go down this trail down to here to the old root cellar. Short, easy walk. It's crushed gravel, I think, blacktop. So let's go check it out, see what's going on, and see this cool thing. This huge old root cellar. Never been to this trail before, or this nature center, but so far this looks pretty sweet. The Spear Hiking Trail does go through the Hartley Nature area for a couple miles. So we'll definitely be back when we go to do those sections. The old Hartley Road trail going out to where we're going, the old root cellar. Packed gravel trail. Very simple walk. Flat as a pancake. Everybody should come out and check it out. Even though they do recommend not going in it, supposedly, but you know how that works. Everybody still goes in. Alright, that was a short hike. Here it is, root cellar. A little history board all about it. Be interesting to see this place when it was the fruit and vegetable place. Oh, and here it is. Short hike. It's built into the hill. So we'll turn our headlamp, we'll see how well this works. So this is one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. And from the video I watched, it has some really cool graffiti. Even though it's not super encouraged, but this is pretty cool. It's like neon. It's interesting, these hooks. There's a big old rolled boulder coming through the ceiling of this thing. I don't know, it must have fallen, a bunch of stuff silted in, fallen in the holes over times up the ceiling.
Oh yeah.
Little ghost dude over there. Pretty sweet. Thanks Kenny on Kenny of all trades, pointing this out. Never would have went here.
Cool.
Well, we're pretty much back to the car, or the truck actually. So we just took a little bit different route home. We're at the Hartley Pond, so we had to go check it out. Spear Hiking Trail actually goes right across the top of that dike. But decided to take a different route back, but this is pretty cool. But thanks for watching this little short video of the root cellar video. And live life, don't live in fear. You're gonna miss it. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.